Hello friends, welcome to the channel. As we already learned in the previous lecture how to create a new project and how to work on Android Studio. So now this is constraint layout. So how to work with constraint layout, let's learn now. So firstly delete this text view. Now what you want to design. Suppose design a login screen. So what you have to do is then simply drag and drop the text view. You can align this text view anywhere on the screen. In constraint layout, what is the main benefit of this? You can set this text view as uh, by selecting these circles. So now I'm increasing the size of this. Now you can select this and from left right also, so that it can arrange according to the size of screen. Now you can move it anywhere on the screen. Suppose we can put here. Now this what we want to write on this text, name. This is text view. This is not editable text, or this is simply acts as a text which display on the screen. So this is name and this is its ID. So text view 1. So say text view 1. Now uh, we can also add another one or see properties. So if we want to set the width of this, then we want to set layout height, we can do this from here. Layout margin. Margins means from the left, from right, from top and from bottom. These are so many functionalities here. Suppose you have to change the size of text, so simply this is text size, this is text size, so simply do it 20 dp. So the size changes. Suppose we do it 25 dp, so you can see size changes. Now we need another text view for password, so this is text view 2. Now what we have to do is firstly increase its size and align it accordingly from the select this and move this as sorry. Now we can put this here. So what we want to write on this is text view 2. Now we have to add the what we have to entry plain text. This is for name. Add this, simply drag and drop it here. So this is what, this is our plain text. We can write any type of here. So text name here and set as we have to set this, because otherwise it arrange in the top left corner. Arrange this name and we need another password field. Simply drag and drop this password field. Resize this field. Now select here, select from here and from top and from bottom. We can also increase the size of screen because it is very difficult to do work on small size screen. Now do this and resize it according to your need. Now add what? Button. We need a button. Where is the button? Button is here. So add simply a button. Now see, firstly see what will happen if we not apply the constraints on this button. So basically what we have done is we have to run AVD, first AVD. There are so many buttons. This is toggle button, checkbox, radio button. We can use any one of these where you want. This is password and this is password numeric. In this only we can write numeric password. So this is email feed, phone feed, multi-line text. If we have to add multi-line text, then time feed, date feed. So there are so many fields here, and these are layouts: constraint layout, grid layout, frame layout, linear layout. Basically in form we use linear layout vertical and linear layout horizontal. So according to our requirement we can done these, and these are views: list view, grid view. If we have to add image button, suppose there is a, we have to write this. Now this is a emulator. It starts working. It takes some time. If we are not applying constraint to this button, then this button lies on the top left corner of the screen. So in constraint layout, we have to set all the four constraints from the left, from right, and from top and from bottom. So in this tutorial, basically we are not working with like authentication part. What can we write in the name and password, or what is the work of button. Basically I am giving you an idea then how to drag and drop the things and how to apply to the. So now check the emulator. It is just as similar to the phone. It is switching on, and now so first now see the text of this XML file. This is what I'll tell you, text view. I already tell you this is the text view. Text view 1, as we already defined its ID. What is name here? Text name, and name here is what? Text. There is no name here, so add, basically add name. So this is, sorry, Android text, simply text equals to, what is this field? So Android text is already written in this, so we can change it as password, and this is edit text. We can write anything on this. This is edit text. This one is also edit text, and this is what? Button. See, it shows an error. This view is not constrained. It only has design time positions. So it will jump to 0 0. That means it will jump to top left corner. So this, please see. So button is here. Now what we are doing is go to design and set constraints on button like this. This is here. Increase the screen size, otherwise it will create a problem. This one and this one. Now run the app. One simulator gets started. When another time we run the app, it does not take so much time to run the app. So it is simply Gradle bit running, and now it starts working in a few seconds. Please wait for a second. Gradle build running. Now see the text. Now it does not show any error. So this layout margin top, this show 8 dp 8 dp. In this, the margins and margin bottom and this will work in dp. Installing apk now. Apk is installing in the emulator, and please check here. We can also run f from here. This is got it, and now see, this is our app. So this is, we can write anything here, like suppose I can write a viral girl, and now in password field what we write. So this will work as a password field. This is button. Now if we apply some function to this button, intend to another activity or authenticate, then it will work as accordingly. So basically this is all about the how to work with these things. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you'll like this and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.